Wrong is an excellent one. Sunny Deol has been handicapped and he's on wheelchair after an accident and encounter. He was a cop, so he is now stranded. But the fact of the matter is, later on he was able to walk. But he didn't disclose this to his wife, who cheated upon him. And he was a witness. He saw his wife along with her boyfriend, and he was furious. The first reaction would have been to just shoot them, but then he composed. He remained composed and thought of a plan of murdering both of them. And it was a plan which was premeditated, and it happened one fine day. And on the other hand, there is Irfan Khan, who is also a cop and very close buddy of Sunny Deol. He was suspicious. He thought of it as a premeditated murder, and he opened the case and investigated the matter. He carried on the investigation. But since Sunny Deol had a very good reputation among all the cops, he could not have been, nobody could have ever imagined that he would have done it being on wheelchair, and anything of that sort or premeditated thing would have ever crossed his mind. But this is the best part of the story. He is in defense, although he is guilty, Sunny Deol, and Irfan Khan is gathering clues, but this fellow is so clever. So all the clues, whatever he's bringing, Sunny Deol is dismissing it off, and ultimately the court granted him innocent, and he had plans to fly to US for his treatment with his son. And there comes the time when he disclosed the secret, because his friend was a very honest one, and he didn't want his friend to be put down by other officers saying that whatever he had thought of Sunny Deol was wrong. So it was between both the friends. That was the best part which I liked. He could have remained silent, but see, true friendship, this is true friendship. He disclosed the fact, and he said that I am even able to walk, but I have kept it as a secret, and just because your effort I didn't want to go waste. I'm telling you the truth, that whatever you had thought of it, it was all absolutely, everything was authentic. This beautiful plot. It's a must watch. I think 5 stars.